Welcome to Barry Electronics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the 5-liter rice cooker. We see a multifunction rice cooker, but other people can just call it pressure cooker. So to get started, first thing you need to do is plug this on your receptacle. Take this right here and plug in your receptacle. Okay, so you plug this on your receptacle, you notice this number will appear 55 minutes because it is to cook. So to change the option, all you need to do is to click on the function button. Here is everything you can cook. You have cook right here, you have porridge, you get fast cook, you have meat, you have yogurt, you have steam, you have cake, sterilization, soup, stew, and to fry. So to choose your option depending on what you are using this pressure to cook, all you have to do is press the function button. As you can see, the indication have come to porridge. Now if you press this again, you come to fast cook, press this again and go to meat, and press this again, yogurt, steam, cake, press this, sterilization, soup, stew, and fry. If you are frying something, you put it here fry. As you can see right here, fry have 30 minutes. Each one here have and 8 minutes. As you can see, cook have 55 minutes, porridge have 1 hour, fast cook 35 minutes, meat 50 minutes, yogurt 8 hours, steam 40 minutes. If you are not satisfied with this time, what you need to do is press the timer right here and you can increase it. As you see, 45, 50 minutes, 55 minutes, 1 hour, or you can click delay and start it back from 30 minutes. It is up to you. You can set it to your preferred time, or you can just choose the general time that is given to you, 40 minutes, or you can increase and reduce it depending on how many minutes you think you need to cook for. So after setting this, all you need to do now, let's say we are frying something, we'll put it right here to fry and press the start button. As you can see, this is already on with me. It is going to start heating, so you can fry things in it. And if you want to cancel this, all you need to do is press the button right here. This warm and cancel button is for 2 options. You can press this right here, it cancel. As you can see, the time is not moving and make cancel. If you press this again, it is to warm your food right here. As you can see, BB, this one right here is to warm your food, or you can press it like this to cancel it and choose your option. And if it is like this, for example, you can choose your option if the time is going, because if you press this function, it will not go because you have already given it permission to start cooking your food. So to choose your function, you have to cancel this right here like this before you'll be able to use this function button. So keep that in mind. So I've put water in this to try it so you can see how fast it works. So now I'm going to set the function to soup, because soup right here boil faster, because with soup you have increased temperature, not like if you are cooking or fast cook. It take a little bit of time before it start to cook, but as soon as you put it to soup, in 10 to 15 minutes your water will be boiled. So soon you put it to soup right here and press the start button, they give you 1 hour, but within this 1 hour you might done cooking, or you might need to increase it depending on what you are cooking, because you know meat take long time to do, or maybe you are just cooking some grain. It is up to you. So I'm going to put this to soup. I'm going to open the pot and show you in it. Yeah, we'll just put small water to try it right here, as you can see. So yes, I will keep you updated as we wait and see. So right here is going. I'll keep you updated as soon as the water boils. So now 10 minutes have gone since we put the water in this cooker. As you can see right here, we have 50 minutes remaining. For it was to 1 hour, but now it is at 50 minutes. I'm not sure if you are seeing it, but yeah, you have 50 minutes remaining here. So I'm going to open it and show you how hard it is. Okay, as you can see, look at that steam. You see the water is almost boiling. The water is almost at the boiling point. So yes, we are going to end this video here. This was just a test video to show you how fast this cooker is. So yes, if you are interested in this, you can get it from our store or anywhere else, but this is just a review to show you how effective this cooker is. So I'm going to press the cancel on the 1 button right here. It is already canceled. So now I'm going to show you one more time. Look at that heat. So yeah, if you're interested in this, you know how to contact us.